Papa, in his free time, he enjoyed to cooking for me and taking clips. He is from Indonesia, specifically Javanese. I'm so happy to have him as my husband. He is very kind and caring person. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.